The recipient of the Engineering Medal for Entrepreneurship is David Beckman.
Prior to joining Zeton, I was working under contract for National Research Council of Canada. I was actually located in Stockholm, Sweden, at the Royal Institute of Technology there. They had the most advanced pilot plant, and so that was where the center of this project was. During my master's degree, I worked on a pilot plant as well. There was an overall vision that me and the founders of the company had, and that was a company that specialized in pilot plants only. I'm currently the CEO of Zeton. I'm also on the board of directors of Zeton and on the board of directors of the company we own in the Netherlands called Zeton BV. What a pilot plant is, especially related to the chemical industry and energy industry, it's really a physical model of a commercial process. It's used by our customers to optimize catalysts, to test the various different feeds they have and optimize their processes. What Zeton does is we design and fabricate pilot plants, demonstration plants, and small-scale modular commercial plants for production. Our execution model is unique in the fact that we take care of the whole project from design to final manufacturing. By having the engineering and the fabrication in the same location, you can avoid a lot of the breaks in communication, and we can assure that the pilot plant does what it needs to do. It meets the rigorous requirements that it has. We have a culture of wanting to do the project right and the best way it can be executed. And what that culture leads to is that's really what's led to our growth, because then the customers come back. We've grown fairly significantly from approximately 7 people in 1986 to today we're about 250 people. We've got a really good team here, and just being able to keep that team together through the years, that's very important because that knowledge is kept from project to project. That's really led to our success. I feel we've had a big impact on the process industries. We've tried to show them that there's a better model of how to execute these projects. I'd recommend a career in engineering because you really get involved in so many aspects of what's going on in the world. You can see the world through projects that you're doing. All engineering aspects have a huge impact on the global community, developing innovative technologies to make life better for everybody. Advice I would give to engineers starting out: stick with what your goals are. If you believe in something that makes sense for you, that you're interested in, stay with that. Do what you're interested in.
As a successful entrepreneur and leader in his field, engineer David Beckman is recognized with the Engineering Medal in the Entrepreneurship category.